Hey, today I wanted to show a quick video on how to use Claude Code in the Claude Desktop. Recently, this update came and I tried it. It was super good. I wanted to share how to do this. You can install GitHub app on your repositories, create a test environment, and work with a local worktree in your directory using Claude Code on the CLI, same like that, with this Claude Code Desktop interface. You can create multiple environments on the cloud. Once you do this, you can select your repository. I selected the base MVVM Android repository and gave tasks to it. I will with the same task we gave to Gemini yesterday. I'll quickly walk through how it went. Then we can look at the code changes. I mentioned a new library called Navigation 3 and provided a migration guide. I told it to migrate our app to this. It went through a web fetch, read about the libraries, made a plan, and came up with a to-do list. It made changes. Navigation 3.00 was correctly picked up, and it completed the first to-do and started upgrading libraries on build.gradle. Updated the to-do and started working. It created a new file, went through the to-do list, and because the build environment doesn't have network access, but the migration is complete, let me verify the files and all of the cleanup, and it did the push in, completed the tool. Came up with a report saying it successfully migrated. It made all the changes and gave me a way to create a pull request. I created a PR, checked out the branch on my local, tried running the app. It gave me build issues. I asked it to make sure there were no build issues. It created a to-do and started fixing, and it fixed it, came up with the report. And this time it made sure to run gradle assemble to ensure that the build was passing. Pushed it, ran it, app was fine, but got an error. Pipeline was failing at the KT check. Told it there were errors, fix errors, and pushed again. It was still failing. It came back and said it's still failing. Make sure everything works and commit. Fetch PR, made a plan, run multiple to ensure KT check passes, extend. Now, every check passed, ensuring app.ruins and it is working fine. The close button is working fine. The back button is also working fine. So now we can merge this code. Co-authored by Claude, we have successfully migrated to a new library on our template. This is how you use Claude Code via the Claude Desktop. See you in the next one.